Hello guys, welcome to another of my traditional sketching. I'm using the tutorial of artgerm. This is not my original art. I'm just doing what he's doing, trying to learn new things. In the case you don't know him, please check him out. I will put a link to his channel in the description box. So I'm using, after doing the sketch with pencils, I'm inking it. I've realized that if you take your time to ink it properly, you will have more time to do it. Smooth lines will make the sketch appear more elegant and better, in general. If you take your time to do your sketch, it's gonna look a lot better, even if it's black and white. After that, he recommends to use gray ink. In my case, I don't have gray ink, so what I did was put some water on the tip of the brush, so it would seem like a lighter black color. He's using then Copics. I don't have Copics. I've never had them, but maybe one day I will save and buy the main colors. But I believe I can do the same with color pencils. So I'm using purple for her hair, and then a lighter color, this pink, for the light parts of her hair. I know that colors are not as perfect, like you don't get the same effects like Copics, but well, anyway, this is just for practice and improving. I like the movement of her dress and how you can put this effect of very light dress just sparkling with some color. Then the skin color is just painted in the main areas. He doesn't fill them all the body with beige color, just the main areas, and I think that's cool. It has like more light effect and it looks more elegant to me. What do you think, guys? In this pandemic, artgerm, he's doing a lot of live streams, and thanks God, and we can learn a lot from him following his live streams. So yeah, I'm here. I'm being very careful with the eyes, which for me and for him is also the main important area. If you do a mistake in the eyes, well, you have to do it again. But I love beige colors because they are really, when I paint with watercolors, I take a lot of time creating the color of the skin. First yellow, then a little bit of red and brown, but with pencil colors and Copic, if you have the beige, it's already ready for you. So I think every time I'm being more curious about buying Copics, but guys, they are very expensive. But anyway, I'm just coloring her mouth carefully. So for me, the mouth, the eyes, and the nose are very important. We're almost at the end. I just put some shadows in her blue eyes and retouch with ink the eyelashes, the iris, and then artgerm fills with gel to give more light effect. Okay guys, this is it. Hope you like it, and thanks for your time. See you very soon. Bye.